Is it just me or is it so expensive to live in the Philippines these days?
Sobra, ibang level. Hindi mo na masyadong maramdaman yung 1,000 pesos. Parang pag nabaryahan mo siya, papi, wala na, mawawala na siya ng ganun kabilis.
Diba? Parang, would you remember the last time you and Mike went on a date? Mother's Day was just around the corner. Tawag dito, or it was a few weeks ago. Ngayon,
Yesterday, kumain kami pero hindi lang kami. Kasama yung family.
Oh, yun. Sige. How much was the bill?
Namin,
Nasaan
ayoko na
kayo
sabihin.
kumain at magkano ang bill? Para ma-compare
It's a
natin.
Chinese restaurant na favorite namin dito sa
Ay,
West
naku,
Avenue.
So masarap ang mga Chinese. Pwede ko ulaan.
I know.
Ito ba yung ano?
Sige, ulaan
katabi
mo.
ng Kowloon House?
Oo, yung katapat. Yun nga.
Diba?
Yung katapat. Dati siyang Shangri-La, Penglay na siya ngayon.
Penglay
Bago
yung
na yung
pangalan.
name. Yes.
Oh, kasi nagkaroon ng rights issue yan with Shangri-La Hotel eh. Naalala ko eh.
Hindi. May ganon, pero binenta yata ng old owner. Kaya bago
Correct,
na yung may-ari. Kaya pinalitan ng pangalan. So, lagi kami doon even before, nung may ABS-CBN pa.
Masarap pagkain doon.
And
Very
for
good
me,
food.
parang affordable naman yung food if i-compare mo siya sa ibang Chinese restaurants, right? Pero kahapon, nung pag-check namin ng bill, sabi ko, ganito na ngayon?
Magkano? Ilan
Mura
kayo?
pa rin,
Ilan muna kayo? Ilan muna kayo?
Marami kami. Parang 15 kami.
Okay. Wag na natin. Medyo malayo. 15. Medyo party
Oo.
level
So,
na yun.
15
Oo.
na before, parang tumaas siguro ng mga 4,000 pesos yung usual bill namin pag kumakain kami na ganun kami kadami. So, hindi lang yon. When was the last time na nag-grocery ka? Yan ang tanong. Kasi dun mo marirealize talaga na, shucks, ito na lang yung
Yes.
dito na lang yung 1,000 pesos ko, ito na lang yung pwedeng bilhin.
Correct.
diba?
Dati like 1,000, medyo marami, pwede ka ng meat and everything. I mean, now, yung 1,000, talagang kung if you're gonna go to the grocery, iba-budget mo na maayos. Kung may gusto ka pa mauwi na medyo marami. Otherwise, 1,000 halos ang bilis mawala. Parang bula. No? And also,
Agree. Totally agree.
I saw a news article recently that said parang nagka-increase yata yung employees na approve yung bill for a salary increase. But the increase was just 300 pesos. Can you imagine
Actually,
that?
ang tinutukoy mo na yan, ano pa yan? Proposal pa lang yan.
Proposal pa lang, my God.
Proposal pa lang
so, pag
yan.
na-approve,
Kasi
magkano lang yung 300? Diyos ko.
Hindi mo pa rin naman mararamdaman yun. But then again, wala pa ang kasiguraduhan yan kasi syempre medyo umaalma din yung mga employer na parang sinasabi nila, pagka natuloy yan, baka naman magsara yung mga small and medium enterprises. So, di mo alam kung saan mo ilulugar. And this is not just happening in the Philippines. Pati sa ibang bansa, ganito. Yung friend ko na nasa Japan, sinasabi niya, friend, yung yen, wala na masyadong value.
Yes, yen
Sobra
is very
din
low
daw.
right now. Kaya ang dami nagta-travel sa Japan.
True.
Oo. Masaya mag-Japan kasi medyo mababa yung yen, malakas yung peso natin, ibig sabihin. Marami ka
Kung
mabibili.
may extra money ka, kung 'di ba? Pero dahil mahirap nga yung buhay, ang dami ngayon parang lahat ng tipid tips, tipid hacks na pwede nilang gagawin na nila. Sa amin, for example, dahil ang taas ng presyo ng kuryente, minsan sa tanghali, pag lahat kami nandito, sinasabi ko talaga, okay, isang aircon lang ang bubuksan dito tayo sa kwartong to, lahat tayo magsanib puwersa tayo dito.
Ay, nako, tama yan. Aircon is life. Ang init pa ngayon. Tsaka pa sinabi ni Meralco na, medyo patay-patayin niyo yung mga aircon nyo kasi nag-red alert yung whatever chauvinist nila, di ba? Very confusing
Sa
times.
ulo.
Very expensive times to be living in the Philippines, so to speak. Kaya minsan talagang nagbibingo plus ako eh.
Ay, ako din. Para lang makaswerte.
Alam mo
Di
yun,
ba
baka
kasi
swertehin.
buntis?
Di ba?
Sabi pag buntis daw, baka sakaling
Doon
totoo ang
mapasok.
kasabihan na pag buntis, maswerte. So, trinay ko rin.
Na-try ko yung
Trinay
bingo
ko
plus.
rin yung Bingo Plus. At
Not
alam mo
bad.
ba, yung...
Di pa ako tumatama. 2 weeks pa lang pero feeling ko, nararamdaman ko na malapit na.
Kung ikaw 2 weeks pa lang, ako nakaka 5 days pa lang, pero feeling ko bago ko i-iri yung bata, mukhang tatama naman ako.
Tatama to.
And by the way, guys, itong Bingo Plus is the first online poker casino in the Philippines licensed by PAGCOR.
License to.
Yes.
So, safe na safe tayo dyan. But once again, if you can be 18 and above to play para be responsible with your money. Speaking of responsibility, this has blown up all over the news. I think we can talk about it. The whole P. Diddy, formerly known as Puff Daddy, the issue. Puff Daddy, if you guys don't know...
Yan, pakilala mo kasi for sure yung mga Gen Z nakatutok sa atin ngayon baka ma-confuse. Sino si PDD.
PDD, Puff Daddy. Tawag dito. There was a TikTok trend that blew up, diba? Yung every breath you take, every move you make, every single day, I'll be missing you.
Okay.
One of his more popular songs, ang dami niyang popular songs. We want to play a clip. Baka sa Spotify kaya natin i-play, but I'm not sure if you're watching this on Facebook. Baka mababa yung video natin. So we're not gonna play the song. But look him up. Super popular. I was a fan. I'm not gonna lie. I was a fan in the year mga 2000s yan eh. He was blowing up like anything, no? And recently, ngayon of course medyo hindi na siya kasing sikat. Marami na sumikat na ibang artists, rappers. I guess even the generation, the genre of music has changed. Kung sino yung mga sikat, nandiyan na sina Maring Taylor, 'di ba? And all these other pop stars, BTS and everything. Anyway, going back, to P. Diddy. A clip was released a few days ago of him, literally beating up, and dragging, kinakaladkad tong si Cassie, who was also a very popular R&B star. Si Cassie naman, I'm not sure if you remember, but yung sikat niyang kanta was, "It's me and you. Hey, I've been waiting." Diba? Yan, ganyan, yung panglande. Diba? Yan.
Yung may ganon. Di ba may halingin kasi yung kanta nun? Hindi mo masyadong
nakuha yung... Tapos may lilingon sa'yo, kakagatlabi.
Yan, si
diba,
Cassie
yun.
yun.
Diba? Ay, si Cassie
alam mo,
yun.
sa sobrang tagal na naging magjowa pala sila, nawala na sa isip ko na magjowa sila.
Si P. Diddy, alam mo yung mga rap stars before, grabe, they were dating the hottest girls.
Yeah, agree.
And not for
naman,
anything
in
else.
fairness, even
Yes.
yung mga rapper dito sa Pilipinas,
Oo
parang
naman.
pag tinignan, not to hindi naman para maka-judge, pero yung mga
Can we
rappers,
name
di ba,
names?
parang,
Of the local
Ayoko na.
celebrities,
Char.
Cha, I know you're friends with a lot of them. Buti kinasalan si Luis Manzano,
Apakahayop mo
Baka
talaga.
i-list natin yung rundown ni Luis.
hindi, pero kasi di ba, pansinin nyo, hindi lang sa ibang bansa,
Sinisinab
even
mo,
dito sa
Gerald
Pinas.
Anderson, grabe ka makaname
Hoy,
Gerald
hindi
din.
naman-
Sino pa?
Kailan pa naging rapper si Luis Manzano at Gerald Anderson? Pero dito sa Pilipinas,
Go.
dami nating kilalang rapper, even sa ibang bansa. Hindi naman kagwapuhan, pero mga chinichicks at ginujowa, vavavoom.
Let's
Hindi man
not
lahat,
deny
pero,
this.
di
The
ba?
celebrities, normally, di ba, they get... Okay, so let's run it down. Huwag na tayo mag-bullshitan dito. Give me top 5 as a woman. Top 5, tingin mo, na occupations na hanep. Ang lakas maka-oomph. Damn. Kahit na wala
Talaga?
masyadong itsura physically, pero, let's say, pilot. Pag nalaman ng iba na pilot, medyo... Yung sex appeal, that's what I'm talking about.
Kasama yung pilot doon, kasama sa top 5.
Diba? Yun nga. It's called Riz. I'm not sure if you've
Anong
heard the term.
Riz?
Ay, naku, tanong mo kay
Riz?
Sab. Tanong mo kay Sab, ano yung Riz?
Itatanong,
Riz.
anong spelling niya? R-I-Z?
R-I-Z.
Riz?
It's called Riz. It's charisma.
Sige na, turuan mo na si Tita Chacha. Turuan mo na yung mga tsahin na tulad ko. Anong meaning yan?
Diba, naglalaba ka? Ano yung nasa mo? Favorite namin yung ano mo eh. Yung
Alin?
mo sa Instagram eh. Ako naglalaba, ako nagluluto. Lang hiya talaga. Naiiyak ako.
Halatang puro kasinungalingan.
We were loving that day. Anyway,
what's
going
Riz?
back. Okay, top 5 muna. Let's get down to business
Okay, sige.
here. Top 5 pinaka-mariz sex appeal tawag dito, jobs for you. Yung parang kahit di ka pogi, di ka maganda, pero hayop pag ganyan yung trabaho mo, parang lakas mo ka, damn, man.
Sige. Sama, musician and rappers.
Oh, yes,
Kasama
agree.
yun.
Check. I'll agree with
Basketball players.
you. Boom, pasok.
Diba? Pasok ang basketball
Pasok.
players,
Pasok
even nung hindi pa tayo nag-aaral. Minsan kahit di ka naman talaga kagwapuhan, hindi ka rin kagalingan, basta part ka ng team nung
naman.
college days.
Naman.
Diba? Parang ang pogi mo na sa paningin kahit tsaka ka talaga. May ganon.
Taman. Minsan yung pawis, kahit pawis, shit, di ba? Parang hayop. Pogi pa
Hindi,
rin,
tsaka
di ba?
pansinin nyo, nung mga college days natin, kanino napupunta yung pinaka-hot na chicks, di ba, sa mga basketball
Mismo
players?
yan.
Top
Mismo
1 sila.
yan.
Top 1
Wag
sila
muna
sa
tayo
listahan na to.
magloko. Athletes, di ba? Kasi, like for basketball players, di ba, lagi yung chase, malaki bird, di ba? Yun ang laging I can name names ng mga kumakalat na mga sa Ateneo dati.
Gusto ko sabihin na hindi po totoo lahat, na pag malaki din ang bird.
Look at
I can
that,
attest
DJ
to
Chat.
it. May naging ex ako na 6'3". Hindi.
My man.
Hindi totoo, besh. Huwag kayo masyado mag-expect.
Hindi ba
Promise.
totoo?
Akala ko rin, nung
O
nakita
yung
ko
size
at
ng
na-try
paa,
ko,
ba
hindi
totoo yung
pala,
size ng
guys.
paa? Size ng bird? Di ba never ano?
Hindi totoo.
Hindi
Size
rin yun.
12 or 13 yata yun, or 14 pa yata yun pa. Pero guys, it's not true.
Kung sino man yung ex ni Chacha na nanonood ngayon, God bless. Okay,
Okay.
isa-isa natin.
So,
ano yung
wait
ano,
lang.
pasok yung
Musicians,
athletes.
rappers.
Hindi lang basketball.
Basketball
Athlete.
players, sino pa ba? Ako feeling ko anything that has to do with medical stuff. Kasi syempre, nurse yung asawa ko. So, sasama ko dun sa list na yon. I don't know, baka ako lang yon.
Ayok.
Di ba? Nurses,
Nanonood ka ba ng
doctors.
Grey's Anatomy? Were you a fan of the
Yes,
show?
yes. And hindi, ito yun eh.
diba?
Kaya kasama sa
Max
listahan ko yung
Timmy. Ano
nurse.
yung pangalan? Max Timmy. Yung mga pangalan doon, Max Timmy,
May ganon.
McFlurry.
Correct.
Damn.
So, for me, kaya kasama sa listahan ko yung nurses and doctors kasi di ba ang ganda ng uniform nila? All white. Pure na pure.
Mukhang malinis.
Yes, mukhang mabango. Parang
Ayun,
hindi
no,
umaasim yung itsura. So, kasama
Yan, no.
sila sa list ko.
Tsaka wala
Dalawa
pa pag all white,
pa.
hindi ka mukhang tsaka, di ba? Lawyer, hindi mo mapasok yung lawyer dyan.
Hindi
Di ba, pag
masyado
sinabi
sa
mo,
akin,
what's
papi.
your job? I'm a lawyer. Di ba, kahit minsan notary public lang, hayop eh.
Ayop ka sa Notary Public.
Delete na naman
Uy,
natin
pero,
itong episode
yung
na
mga
to.
nagdo-Notary Public,
Lawyer.
kailangan pasado din sila sa di ba, bar
Oo,
exams.
hindi joke, but lawyers, hindi mapasok sa list mo yung hottest job.
DJs, hindi nakasama. Hindi na kasi wala ka na sa radyo, so hindi ko na isasama.
Wag na tayo sumama dyan. Mas makigulo dyan. Are we talking about DJ sa club? Kasi matitinig
Yeah. Oo, before, nung Bagets Days. Parang
Can we
pwede
name
natin
names?
isama yon. Racer.
Kasi kinasal
Car
na si-
racer.
Curry, oo. Tama.
Feeling ko.
Diba?
Parang
Celebrities.
basketball player and then
Artista,
car.
hindi ba?
Yes, that's the last
Artista,
one.
oo.
Celebrities and artistas. Though sa akin, hindi masyado yung celebrity artista eh.
Bakit?
Para kasing, siguro dahil ito yung work ko, kaya hindi ako masyadong nagugulat. Oo, siguro, kung hindi ito yung trabaho ko, pwede ko maisama. So, mas ipapasok ko yung lawyer more than the celebrities. For me, sa akin lang yun.
They say kasi if we work around these people or nasa circle ka na yan, bumababa yung, kasi parang norm na siya for you.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi na siya. Especially if you work, I'm sure if you work around lawyers and you're a lawyer yourself, yun na yung norm mo.
Yes.
Diba? Kaya nga minsan, meron tayong mga kalala, lawyer na celebrity na ganyan ako.
Yun na, tinuhog na lahat. Pero
Tinuhog na lahat. Oh.
kung yun yung para sa lalaki, sa babae, sa lalaki, meron din ba kayong ganon? Yung parang pag yun yung trabaho, parang, uy, wow. Kakadagdag ng appeal.
Okay,
Mas
tatanggalin ko dito.
sexy, mas gumaganda.
Ay, shit. Tatanggalin ko na dito. For all the guys out there, no, tatanggalin ko na muna. Si Mike, baka nakikinig, no? Yung Viva Max, tatanggalin ko na agad muna dyan, no? Baka... Ay!
Hindi yung pinagpapantasyahan.
Hindi
Pero
nga,
sige,
teka.
pwede na rin, bahala ka.
No, I
kung
think,
anong
of
gusto
course,
mo.
even for guys, celebrities would be pretty much up there.
Really?
For most guys. Siyempre, diba, ang ganda ni ganyan. Tapos
Oo,
parang
sabagay.
there's that notion lagi na that term, which I wouldn't say is all too good. It's called the trophy girlfriend, trophy boyfriend.
Yes.
Diba?
Na parang pampronta.
Yun. Mismo. That's why minsan, when you see an ugly guy or a tsaka guy, tapos sobrang ganda ng kasama niya, parang, damn, either malaki bird nito, talagang hype yung Riz nito.
Or it's either malaki bird or maganda kotse nito. Marami tong pera.
Oo, mayaman,
Yan ang
ganun.
iniisip natin. Mhm.
Politicians.
Pero
Hindi mo sama sa list mo yung politicians.
No. Wala masyadong
kasama.
amor sa akin ng mga politician. Woo!
Okay. Hindi, kanya-kanya. We're asking for
Pwede
the
siguro
personal,
pagipit. Ay, sorry na! Diyos ko, baka may mga masaktan. Charot lang. Sa akin, hindi.
Grabe.
Personally, hindi ako. Hindi masyadong...
No-go sa yan.
Hindi naman no-go, pero hindi yan kasama sa list ko na
Sa list
parang... Pagka
Okay,
sinabi mo sa akin kung ano yung work mo, yung maa-amaze ako, hindi.
I'll go back to the guys section here. I'd count the lawyers and the doctors in. Pasok
Okay.
sa category. I guess
Doctors,
anybody
lawyers.
na medyo nasa professional
Yeah, same tayo.
career. Diba? Yung parang medyo...
Same.
But generally
Accountant ba kasama sa'yo?
Ay, nako.
Or yung mga data analyst, ganyan?
Ay, mga hindi mo malaman kung ano trip sa buhay. Di ba? Parang nakapulan sa
Di ba kasi
computer
parang
mo,
pag sinabing data analyst, parang ang talino di ba?
I remember, offhand, quick kwento. I remember when I was in college, in my batch, there were only 4 people. Ang laki ng batch per year. There were only 4 people who took up mathematics.
Ay,
Sa buong
apat
batch.
lang ang nangahas.
Apat lang.
Naglakas ng loob.
Lakas ng trip ng mga to. Na yun yung course nila. Mathematics. Mga mathematician. Okay, let me try to give one more. So we have the professionals, we have the
Celebrities.
Celebrities, kasama na dyan yung mga model.
Models kasama na doon.
I'd count that as kasama sa celebrity. Ano pa ba? Guys, sino ba yung mga malalakas ang dating?
TikTokers kasama sa list.
In this, I think in this day and age, medyo masasabi mo na rin ang mga ganun,
Yes.
diba?
For guys, for guys.
For guys. So, anyway, whichever list you have, you can make your own list, no? You can comment also on our Instagram, on our Facebook account, yung mga dapat natin ipasok, no? Sa top sex appeal kind of jobs, no?
Yeah.
That's a very nice topic to have. So, just fill in the Instagram or ano. Anyway, going back. No, we were talking about the P. Diddy issue.
O kaya tayo napunta dun sa topic na yun kasi nga pinag-uusapan natin, rapper siya. And nung panahon
Correct.
natin, yung mga ginawa nito, grabe, vavavoom lahat.
Yeah, and that's how we got there. Kasi nga, syempre, ikaw yung one of the most popular, if not the most popular rapper in the world.
Pero, dito sa episode na to, parang mag-iinit ulo nyo sa kanya. Kasi nung pagkita ko ng video, parang gusto ko itapon yung cellphone ko.
Diba? A video was released and this was taken in 2016 pa. Ibig sabihin,
Sobrang
may
tagal
nagtago.
na.
May nagtago na. Ako sa akin yun yung
Yes.
ano ko dito. Sacha has just seen the video about 15 minutes ago. No? Kasi iba pinagkakabisihan niya sa buhay. No? Anyway, nakita niya 15 minutes ago.
Ibang rapper pinagkakabisihan ko. Mamaya ko sabihin ko sino.
Diba? And nung nakita mo yung video of Puff Daddy, P. Diddy, sinabunutan, kinakaladkad tong si another rap superstar, not just any girl.
Inano muna, parang
Which
kinutongan
doesn't
ng
matter.
malakas sa batok.
Doesn't matter.
Ginanon sa
Oo,
batok.
kinutongan, di ba?
Hindi ko
Sinapak,
parang
sinapak.
suntok sa batok, ganun.
Sapak
Oo,
sa
tapos
batok.
sinipa. Pag suntok,
Yes,
napahiga
on the
yung
floor.
babae, sinipa
Tinadyakan
on
pa.
the floor. Correct.
And not just because she's also a popular personality, but also, just because she's a woman. No? And not just because she's a human being. The way I saw it when I was looking at the video, parang, hindi nga lang parang hayop yung pagtrato. Parang ako mismo na-shock.
And for
When
someone
I first
to
saw
do
the video,
that,
I was
you're
shocked.
in, pareho tayo. Tapos parang nasa utak ko kanina, wow, nasa public place pa sila noon. Di ba?
Correct.
Sabi mo, Intercontinental Hotel?
Yeah, back in 2016.
Doon nangyari. So, ang nasa utak ko ngayon, ano pang ginagawa
the initial
nito
thought?
pag sa bahay niya na mismo?
Correct.
Or pag private talaga.
Give me 3 things na una mo nakita. If you haven't seen the video, no, once again, I'm not sure if we can show this on the podcast. If we can, we'll ask our editor to put it within the episode. If not, search for it, P. Diddy, Cassie. I'm sure the video will come out on Google. First 3 thoughts when you saw the video.
Siyempre, bilang babae, nagalit ako na parang, ano yun? Ano nangyari? Hindi mo naiisipin kung anong pinag-awayan. Kahit anong reason.
Correct.
It's not enough, di ba, for a guy to do that. Kasi unang-una, physically, mas malakas talaga kayo. And before mangyari yun, meron pang scene dun sa video na tumatakbo siya ng nakatawal lang.
Yes.
Tapos, di ba,
Hinabol
parang
niya.
walang... Eto pa, after that video clip na sinasapak niya, binubugbog niya yung girl si Cassie, saka ni-release, pinakita dun sa news agency, yung pagsusorry niya. Na for
Which
me,
was
wala
only
nang bearing
released
to.
today, the day we're recording this episode. Yung sorry
For
niya
me, parang
was
pag
only
ganun
released today.
Walang bearing sa akin yun. Kasi parang pag
Agree.
ganun ginawa mo,
Same.
paano mo explain yung sarili mo?
And I think, sorry if you're gonna agree with me or not, I think he would not have even said sorry if
Kundi lumabas.
Hindi lumabas.
Agree.
So, like I said, I'm not sure if it's a celebrity thing. I'm not sure if it's a tawag dito. I think I even have a suspicion na baka kung sino man yung may footage, no, ng CCTV na yan, that footage that was shown, I'm feeling ko binayaran yan na malaking amount. No? Just to hide.
To hide it.
Hide that video. Very shocking. We've been saying this so many times. It wasn't right. I don't think whether you're a guy or girl, anybody deserves to be treated like that.
Agree.
Tama yung sinabi mo na it crossed my mind also. Ano kaya pinag-awayan nila to get to that level of intensity na talagang bugbugan. Bugbog.
Matindi.
No?
Matinding bugbugan.
Matinding bugbugan. Relating it to how things are today, especially in our society, no, I guess ngayon mas naalala ko pa dati, nagkaganyan si Chris Brown and Rihanna.
May bugbugan era din sila.
May bugbugan, tapos ni-release pa nga yung mukha ni Rihanna na
Oo.
na
May black
pasa-pasa yung
eye.
mukha. Oo.
Uh-uh.
Sa akin lang, I just hope that justice will be served for when it comes to something like this.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people also deal with these type of violences in our country, in our society, all over the world. And if you're listening to this podcast, I think sometimes we forget our self-worth, our self-value, just because we are blinded by whatever we see, whoever the person we are with makes us or says to us. Kasi may mga taong manipulative eh. Mm-hmm. Yung magagaling magsalita. Tapos, they make you feel so worthless in such a way na feeling mo tuloy na pag wala sila, wala ka rin kwenta. Like I said, I'm not sure what happened there, but not just cause, yun nga, let's say, si P. Diddy, sobrang sikat na celebrity, that means you're a less person. You're a lesser person. Just cause hindi ka kasing sikat. Just cause he makes more money, whatever, diba? Mas maganda kotse niya, whatever. That doesn't make you less of a person. No, I think we wanted to record this episode and talk about it just to check on everyone and make sure that hindi sana umabot sa ganong level ang mga bagay-bagay whenever or if you are in a relationship. Just a simple reminder to know your self-worth.
Yeah, agree.
Diba? And wag parang go as you were saying.
Sa akin kasi, parang yung mga ganyang klase ng insidente na thank God, never ko siya na-experience. Isipin na lang natin, seeing that video and yung ibang babae na ganun yung dinadanas, up to now dun sa mga current partners nila, for sure, merong mga nagtitiis.
Oo.
Pag sinaktan ka kasi, at may feelings ka towards that person, hindi naman ang una mong gagawin ay magsumbong at kasuhan yan or ipakulong yan. Most of the time, ang nangyayari is, ang galing mang manipulate ng lalaki, paiikutin ka, magsusorry sa'yo, tapos ipapa-feel pa sa'yo na kaya niya nagawa yung Boogie Wonderland na yan o yung pambubugbog. Dahil
Boogie
kasalanan mo pa.
What a term, ha? The Boogie Wonderland.
Oh, yes. Di ba yan tawag dyan ng mga kapatid nating momshies at mga bex?
You don't know Riz, but you know Boogie Wonderland.
Because I have a close friend, high school kami, nagkaroon siya ng ganyang boyfriend. Naalala ko siya habang nagsasalita ka about physical abuse.
Okay.
Dahil later ko na lang nalaman, ngayon na may anak na, siguro like 3 years ago, na ganun yung eksena, na merong time na nasaktan siya. Never niya sinabi, neto lang. Kasi napag-usapan lang namin, parang meron din kami napanood na video na nagbubugbugan yung magjowa. And then years after niya lang, ngayon lang, neto nga lang, parang 3 years ago niya lang, isipin mo high school pa nangyari yun. Kung gaano nakatagal yun, 2 dekada na yung nakalipas, Sam, di ba? Noon niya lang nakwento sa amin ng mga friends niya. And parang 2 lang kami na napagsabihan niya nung eksena niyang yon. So ako, I just wanna say to everyone experiencing this, sa mga babae, ayoko sabing wag kayo matakot, pero sana magkaroon kayo one day ng lakas ng loob to get out of that relationship. Kasi walang kahit anong rason ang katanggap-tanggap para gawin yan sa'yo ng isang tao. And if he can do that to you, sooner or later na magkaroon kayo ng pamilya, anong kaya niyang gawin pa dun sa mga magiging anak nyo? And this is not the kind of relationship na gusto nating ibigay dun sa mga bata pagdating ng panahon na may pamilya na kayo. And for me, Sam, pag nangyari ng isang beses, hindi imposible na mangyari pa ulit yan.
That is absolutely correct. And this does not only go out to ladies, no. I know guys as well.
Yes, agree.
Who go through physical abuse.
Nabubugi Wonderland din ng girl.
Oo, nabubugi Wonderland din. It's not because you're
hindi
a guy
lang masyadong hindi lang masyadong
Lalo nakakaya pag lalaki.
Yun na nga, exactly,
Sam. Lalaki mong tao, ikaw yung binubugbog, di ba? Parang lalong baliktad eh. So I'm sure a lot of guys also do not speak up on this.
Kasi parang yung ego nila, yung pagkalalaki
Of course.
nila, na pumayag sila, nasaktan sila ng girl. Pero, but then again, sana, alam mo yun, huwag matakot. Yun nga eh. And, you have to choose yourself sa mga ganyang klase ng sitwasyon. Hindi pwedeng puro love ang paiiralin.
Oo. Yun nga sinasabi ko, minsan kasi we get so blinded, 'di ba? With the relationship, feeling natin when we exit a relationship, worthless na tayo. Wala na ibang magmamahal sa atin. 'Di ba? But sometimes we just need to go past that, 'di ba? That breakup will definitely lead to a breakthrough, but you have to make that step. 'Di ba? You can't get through to the breakthrough if you don't make that first step. So it's very, very important, I think, for this episode to just check our self-worth. Make sure that you're okay. And if you're not okay, tell someone.
Yeah.
Could be a friend, tell a professional, could be a family member. And for those who have, on the other side of the fence, those na medyo abusers or whatever, if you're a physical or whatever abusive state you're in, also seek help. Alam mo yung sarili mo kung nagdidilim paningin mo. May mga ganun eh. 'Di ba? Yung biglang, shit, nagdilim paningin ko. Hindi ko na, ba't ko nagawa yun? 'Di ba? For us, it's easy to say na, sige, baka nagdilim. Hindi naman totoo yan. Ganyan, 'di ba? But if you know that you have that tendency, also seek help before you cause or you do something worse. No? So it's a wake-up call to everyone, whether you're on the receiving end, you're on the giving end, but definitely, like we talked about kanina, this type of behavior should not be tolerated. No matter kung sino man yan, gaano ka ka-powerful, gaano ka kasikat, nobody deserves to be treated that way. Nag-aaway kayo, normally aways happen in any relationship, but at the end of the day, know your worth as a human being and know that nobody deserves to treat you that way.
Super agree. And let's not forget na ang abuse hindi lang physical.
Yes.
Meron ding verbal abuse, guys. So baka hindi nga kayo sinasaktan physically, hindi ka binubugbog, pero araw-araw minumura ka naman.
Iba nakakaano yun after a while.
Iba rin yung epekto ng verbal abuse.
Totoo yan.
Sinasabi nga nila mas matindi pa daw yon. So kung anumang klaseng abuse nandoon ka, I do hope one day you'll have the strength to get out of that relationship.
Well, it was a bit heavy, but it's something that we currently have seen in the news. So if you haven't seen it, once again, Google it. I'm sure you're gonna it'll pop up on your feed. Also, I hope justice will be served. Alam ko si P. Diddy recently has been getting a lot of these sexual
hate
abuse
comments.
No, abuse cases. Pero binabayaran
okay,
niya. 50 million. The last case was settled for 50 million. So I'm not sure where this will lead, but I hope justice will be served. But thank you for joining us on the podcast. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Thank you to our friends from Anima Pods as well. Kami na yung bagong member ng kanilang family. So more episodes, more topics, and we're gonna catch you very soon. Be safe, be good.